Among the fragmented products, lead paste, lead slime or mud and lead grids undergo reduction smelting. Among them, materials such as lead paste, lead clay, and lead grids are used. It is transported via a conveyor belt to the furnace for firing until the lead melts into a liquid state. Then, the extracted molten lead alloy was poured into the mold. Through the track output. At this point, the workers will remove the other metals that are floating on the surface. Mechanically transfer the produced crude lead ingots to the adjacent area for cooling. Display of crude lead ingot finished products. At this point, crude lead ingots with a purity of 95-98 are obtained. Next comes the crude-lead refining and ingot casting production line. Charge crude lead ingots obtained from crude lead smelting into the refining kettle. The crude lead ingots are melted into molten lead inside the refining kettle. The molten lead is then poured into strip-shaped casting molds, where workers remove residual impurities on the surface again. Machinery continuously sprays ice-cold water onto the bottom of castings to cool the molds. Afterwards, the conveyor belt rotates to eject finished lead strips out of the molds. Finished lead ingots pass through the coating machine and are stacked into complete piles. The final refined lead ingots can reach a purity of 99.985%.